Have you ever dreamt of building an app that reaches millions, even billions of users? With Android, that dream is within your grasp. Android powers over 3 billion devices worldwide, making it the most popular mobile operating system on the planet. This presents an incredible opportunity for aspiring developers like you. Whether you want to create the next viral game, a productivity tool that simplifies lives, or a social media platform that connects people, Android provides the platform and the audience. But where do you start? The world of app development can seem daunting, especially for beginners. Don't worry. With Kotlin as your programming language and Android Studio as your trusted toolkit, entering the world of Android development is easier than you think. In this guide, we'll walk through the essentials of starting your Android development journey, using Kotlin to bring your app ideas to life. Get ready to unlock a world of possibilities. By the end of this guide, you'll have a basic understanding of Android development with Kotlin. You'll be able to create a simple app and run it on an emulator, taking your first steps towards becoming a confident Android developer. So are you ready to join the exciting world of Android app development? Let's begin. When it comes to Android development, Kotlin stands out as the preferred language, especially for beginners. Why? Because Kotlin is designed to be concise, readable, and fun to work with. Let's break down what makes Kotlin so beginner-friendly. First and foremost, Kotlin is incredibly concise. It eliminates much of the boilerplate code found in other languages like Java. This means you can express your ideas with fewer lines of code, making your code cleaner and easier to understand. Secondly, Kotlin is highly readable. Its syntax is intuitive and closer to natural language, making it easier to learn and grasp the concepts quickly. You'll spend less time deciphering cryptic code and more time building awesome apps. Finally, Kotlin is a modern language that's enjoyable to use. It comes with features that make development smoother and more efficient. You'll find yourself enjoying the process of coding and building your Android apps. With these advantages, Kotlin empowers you to focus on the creative aspects of app development, rather than getting bogged down by complex syntax. This makes it the perfect language for beginners who are eager to jump into the world of Android development. Before you embark on your Android development journey, you need to gather the necessary tools. The good news is that these tools are readily available and easy to set up. Here's what you'll need. Android Studio, your command center for all things Android. It's a free, integrated development environment, IDE, specifically designed for Android development. Think of it as your digital workshop where you'll write, test, and debug your apps. Java Development Kit, JDK. Java is the underlying language for Android, and the JDK provides the necessary tools to compile and run your code. Don't worry too much about the technical details for now, just make sure you have it installed. Kotlin plugin. While Android Studio comes with built-in support for Java, you'll need to install the Kotlin plugin to harness the power of Kotlin for your projects. Android emulator or device. You'll need a way to test your apps. You can use either an Android emulator, which simulates an Android device on your computer, or a physical Android device connected to your computer. Once you have these tools installed, you're ready to dive into the exciting world of Android app development. In the next section, we'll walk through setting up your first project in Android Studio and exploring the structure of an Android app.